Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our lasa.htg BN115. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts A, 4 parts F, 2 parts D, the wheels with the lockers, and 2 parts E, the ones without the lockers. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Having a look at the bottom of A, you'll see there's hollow outs here for our part F. One side E, one side D, on both sides respectively. For our next step, we'll be needing 6 parts B, 12 parts G, our bolts, as well as the provided Allen key. If you do have access to power tools, please use them. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When assembling, try to keep the locker sides on the same side. For our next step, we'll be installing our toy bins, part C. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our lasa.htg BN115. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.